Hi friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. If you're new to my channel, then click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon for future notifications so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Okay, today here I am with double color twisted Saree Kuchu, which is very simple but very elegant and looks very different. Okay, and you can also use say a single color, that is both of the dories can be of single color to make this kind of Saree Kuchu. And let's see how to make this beautiful double color Saree Kuchu. To make this we need like 20 strands of each color. I have took 20 strands of each color, and the length can be based on your requirement. Here I have did like little lengthier like this, but you can just do whatever length you need. Now I'm inserting both of my thread this way. Make sure that you leave exact gap between the tassels. As I told you before, here I have took 20 strands of silk thread in each color. Length is purely up to your wish. So insert your thread here. Make sure that both are in equal level and length. Okay, this way. Make sure that it's of equal in length. Now instead of making a knot using the same green and pink silk thread, because it's like 40 40 80, so if you make a knot out of it, it will become very big. So here I'm doing like knotting any normal Saree Kuchu, that is normal Kuchu. Means I didn't do any self knotting, means doing knot using the strands, that is Kuchu tassel. Here I have took like 2 strands of silk thread and just winding around the strands. This is a kind of securing the tassel without making any knots. Actually I have uploaded the same kind of tassel making in a separate video with full details. You can also check that if you want. It's in the playlist called Silk Saree Kuchu by Anira Trends. So here is like taking 2 strands of silk thread and winding like 4 to 5 times and just sticking. This is really strong enough, so you don't need to worry about it. Now the main part is separate both of your colors and twist it this way. Hold it really tight. If you leave it, it will get released and twist will go off. So hold the pink in one hand and again twist green also this way. I am twisting both the colors in the same side, that is from left to right or in clockwise. Hope you can see this. After this, hold it really tight and make a knot approximately to the length of the nearby tassels, and this way. Okay, make sure that you hold it really tight. Now you can release. The twist will be formed automatically. See how beautiful it has come. Now the next step is to fix your knot, just referring to the nearby Kuchu, so that it will be equal in all the kuchu. So you can adjust your knot either to the upward or the downward, matching the nearby kuchu like this, and you can just simply trim off your strands. Here it's like only 40 strands, but this is enough for this twisted kuchu, because it's already really thin from the top, so it's enough to have a really small kuchu this way. Fine, you can just adjust and make it really tight. So this is just matching to the other kuchus. So here it's done. If you really like this video, you can just give it a like, subscribe, and you can also share the link with your friends through WhatsApp and Facebook. Okay, உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இன்னும் இந்த சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலைன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. நான் வந்துட்டு ஜுவல் மேக்கிங், சாரி குச்சு, சம் கிராஃப்ட் எல்லாமே நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுவேன். ஸோ if you want to see any of the arts and crafts, jewel making, saree kuchu making, this kind, you can just subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon for not missing any of my future tutorials. Okay, till then, take care friends. Bye.